How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. So go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Then you'll need to access your profile menu. To do that, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right part of your screen. This will bring you to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see audience and visibility. Under that, you'll be able to see active status. Just tap on that. Then toggle off the option show when you're active. A pop-up will appear, so just tap the turn off button. After that, close the Facebook app and proceed to Messenger application. Turning off and on your active status and Messenger is pretty much easier and straightforward compared to Facebook. So go ahead and tap on the three lines icon on the top left. Tap on the settings icon next to your profile name. It should bring you to the settings page where you'll be able to see the active status. So just tap on the active status, toggle off your active status, and then tap on the turn off button again on the pop up, and that should do it. So that is how to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.